This is a health and wellness video focusing on the importance of natural or healthy fats for maintaining optimal brain health. But how exactly do these natural fats work their magic on the brain? Think of omega-3 and omega-6 as the oil in a well-tuned engine. They help to lubricate the cognitive gears, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. These fatty acids also play a significant role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells over time. Moreover, natural fats help to regulate mood and ward off mental disorders. High-quality fats from natural sources can boost levels of serotonin, the feel-good hormone, which helps to reduce anxiety and depression. So, when it comes to feeding your brain, remember, not all fats are created equal. Trans fats and saturated fats, often found in processed foods, can increase inflammation and harm brain health. On the other hand, natural fats from whole foods offer a wealth of benefits. To summarize, natural fats are essential for cognitive health. They help to maintain the structure and function of brain cells, reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, and regulate mood. They also support the production of essential brain chemicals that boost memory, concentration, and mental agility. So the next time you reach for a snack, consider choosing one rich in natural fats. Your brain will thank you for it. And remember, the health of your brain is directly linked to the quality of the fuel you give it. Choose wisely, and you'll not only nourish your brain but also support your overall health and well-being. After all, a healthy brain is a happy brain.